I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying legal status and arranging an expert to assist. This reduces risk and liability. Once done, set a secure, well-lit workspace and collect ownership papers, serial records, and a camera. Make sure to inform local authorities or range management if required by law. You will not manipulate the item alone. Instead, have the qualified person confirm render-safe status and supervise any close inspection. This approach protects you and documents compliance from the outset. With the expert present, focus on documenting condition rather than performing technical work. You should capture high-resolution, dated photos and transcribe serial/model info into a log. This creates an audit trail. Once done, annotate visible wear, rust, dents, or aftermarket changes so readers understand current state. Make sure to preserve chain-of-custody records and secure all images and documents in encrypted storage or locked filing. If you plan valuation, share these records with a licensed appraiser rather than attempting repair yourself. To finish, ensure the qualified person confirms secure storage and signs off on the inventory. You then file the final report. Once done, distribute copies to the owner, insurer, and any required authority, and retain originals in locked storage. Make sure to schedule any required legal inspections or professional appraisal rather than attempting corrections. Troubleshooting tip: if you find an unreadable serial or suspected illegal modification, stop, document, and contact law enforcement or a licensed specialist. Do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.